Okay, we're moving on to an algebraic part of our unit here. What I want you to be able to do today is identify if a number is a solution to an equation. So you need to know some vocab words aligned with that. An equation is an expression. That's what we've been dealing with when we simplify. It's an expression that has an equal sign. I look at the word equa. Equation has an equal sign. Okay. An open sentence is something that's unique only to this curriculum. An open sentence is an equation with a variable. So pretty much what your instinct would tell you. If I had 3x minus 2, oh no, this is expression. Oopsie, it's not an equation. It's an expression with a variable. So if I said identify, is this numerical, true, or an open sentence? Since it's a variable, you'd say open. It depends on what, it's open for debate. It depends on what x is. Solution makes an equation true. So that's your main learning target today. That's what I want my students to get out of today. I want you to be able, given an equation, meaning an expression with an equal sign, I want you to be able to tell me if it's true or false. So, you know what you do? You simplify both sides and verify if it's true. Isn't that is just great. So I want to know, does 24 plus 18 equal 20 plus 22? So I'm going to simplify both sides. 24 plus 18 is, I need to think for a second, 8 plus 4 is 12, carry a 1, 2, 3, 4. Does 42 equal 42? Yes.
No.
It is true. You could put yes or true, I don't care, same thing. They're synonyms in this situation. Does 7 times 8 equal 54? Okay, don't let your mind play tricks on you. Trust in your math facts.
No.
7 times 8 is 56. And this is how you say does not equal. You put the equal sign with the slash. 56 does not equal 54, so you would say it is false or not true. I would just say false. Or I probably meant to say no. It's my Monday brain. I probably meant to say no, and then I got fancy and said not true. You're given an equation like this. Don't overthink it yet. We haven't gotten to our solving unit yet. This has a variable in it today. You're going to say open. So right away, because I can't simplify this. I don't know what x is. I can't simplify that left side yet. So I say it's open. Open for debate. I have more stuff to do. Does 32 divided by 8 equal 2 times 3? Does 4 equal 6? Heck no, it doesn't. It is false. Hey, guess what?
What?
I see a variable, so this means it's open right away. If you see a variable today, you say open, unless it tells you to solve. Okay? All right. Moving on to the next page. Now we get to identify solutions. This is the big 8th grade step, identifying solution. You plug the number in for the variable and then verify if it's true or false. Okay? So you're going to plug a number in for the variable and verify if it's true or false. So look how I read this. I want to know, does 32 equal 2x plus 12 for x equaling 6? This colon, semicolon, this means 4x equal. Okay? So here I have 4x equaling 6. Look at this next one. 4x equaling 1/2. for b equaling 10, for y equaling 7. You need to know that that semicolon, it's going to be in your homework today, that it is 4. It tells you what to plug in for the variable. So I'm going to put 6 for the x's. And I want to know, does 32 equal 2 times 6 plus 12?
No.
No.
Does 32 equal 12 plus 12?
No.
Hey, 32 does not equal 24, so you say not a solution.
You just said N to the O.
I just said F to the A to
Okay.
the L to the S to the E.
And don't let my fraction mess you up here. Does 6m minus 8 equal negative 5? 4m equaling 1/2. So I just plug it in. Does 6 times 1/2 minus 8 equal negative 5? Times another vocab word is of. So I say, what's half of 6? 3. Does 3 minus 8 equal negative 5? Negative 5 does equal negative 5. Yes, it is a solution. Do you feel like you can plug numbers in and see? Tell me if it's true or false. You have to be really fluent with today's homework for tomorrow's, because tomorrow I'm giving you a point. So I'm giving you an X and a Y, and you have to plug both of them in. So you definitely need this practice for today. Does 5 times 10 minus 6 equal 43?
Yeah.
Does 50 minus 6 equal 43? Does 44 does not equal 43?
Ooh, that's
Not a solution. Now I'm noticing that some of you are identifying like 2 steps ahead of me. That's fine. I just like to show my math. I like to. So, I mean, if you can identify right away, that's your call. But as a math teacher and a math coach, I would suggest that you practice showing beautiful work, because let me tell you, math gets more intense and you need that foundation. Plug your 7 in. Does 4 times 7 minus 12 equal 16?
Probably not.
Does 28 minus 12
I was
equal
wrong.
16?
Yes.
Hey, 16 does equal 16. It is a solution.
Solution.
Yeah.
I guess my guessing skills failed me.
Okay, now this is a more rigorous application of today's lesson. You know, plugging in, determining true or false. That's pretty basic to plug in the stuff. Now we're going to do a couple things. You are going to write equations. You need to know that is means equals. For example, 3 plus 2 is 5. How I write that is 3 plus 2 equals 5. You're going to be dealing with that today. Okay, the sum of 3x and 2 is 7. So what does sum mean?
Plus.
Thank you. You're welcome. So sum means plus. So I'm going to go 3x plus 2. Is this my equal sign? Equals 7.
Who knows?
Okay, now this is where you need to remember where parentheses go. And I remember that we had a very fluent student at this right away in the beginning, just knowing where a parenthesis goes. The product of 7 and the sum of 3 and x is 8. Remember, if you have 2 vocab words,
Oh,
product and sum, you're going to be dealing with parentheses.
Oh.
So product means multiply. The sum of 3 and x. Do you see? Is means equals 8. Six less than x is negative 12. Okay. Less than, less important, put it second. X minus 6 means equals negative 12.
There's another page.
Why would you tell her?